Hello everyone, my name is Lindsay and welcome to my world, and today I am making a video for the first time in a hot minute. I haven't done this in probably 2 to 3 years because I low-key cringed about my YouTube channel, but now I'm kind of like, maybe this would be a fun thing to get back into. This is going to be a little bit of an update video because I'm thinking about redoing my channel a little bit, content-wise. I know it used to be more cinematography, funny, vloggy type things, but I am definitely more grown up than I used to be. I'm almost a 20-year-old lady. So I want to change the content a little bit, and I'm thinking about making it more related to academics. Last time you saw me, I was still in high school, and I am now a college student. Some of you know that I was in a special program called Early College back at my former community college. I actually have my sweatshirt on right now. I wear this as pajamas now because it's really comfortable. I completed my early college program, which was the whole associate's degree while mainly in high school, this past spring, or I guess spring of 2019. And I am now at my new university, which is it's amazing to say because this is a place and a dream that I have had for so long, and it has felt so nice to finally be here. Some of you may know this and some of you may not know this, but I am actually a first generation college student, so it feels even better to be here because I'm doing something that people in my family have not done, or some have, but my specific lineage with my mom and my dad and my grandparents and my great grandparents and blah 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 blah. I'm really happy that I decided to go to Grand Valley. Originally, when I applied, I was still in the STEM field. That's another update. I completely changed my major around, and I am so much happier than I used to be, and I'm a lot more successful um, than how it was going. I am now an international relations major with a couple of minors going for her. I'm kind of like, do I want to do a French minor? Do I want to do French and human rights? Do I want to do French and gender and women's studies? Or do I just want to do like no French, and do I want to do human rights and gender and women's studies, because those sound very interesting. And right now the plan is, because I'm actually in more upper level classes and sorts of things like that, I have to start thinking about my future a bit. And right now the plan is to go to grad school right after this, and I am working my ass off so I can get into some pretty prestige colleges, so I can go right into a fully funded PhD program, because I'm broke and I don't want to pay for grad school. Nobody does, but I specifically do not want to pay for grad school, so I'm working really hard so I can get into some good PhD programs after my undergraduate. In regards to content, I'm thinking about talking about college related subjects, anywhere from seeing which major you want to go into, to being that person who is halfway through a degree and then deciding to change it all over again and wondering if it's the right direction to go in. I'm hoping to do also like study type videos or organization type videos. I bullet journal. I'm trying to come up with some better ways for time management because I suck at that, like most people do, but I especially. I guess talk about my curriculum, my plans within it, what subjects I'm interested in within international relations, and why I decided to major in this field and go into this field. Just sorts of things like that. I have a lot of people who are younger than me and are now starting to make that decision of going to college and picking a major and having a big question mark over their head when it comes to decision making. And I want to let people know that it's okay to do that and understand that you may have a plan as a senior in high school, like a dead set plan, and it can completely change, because that's what happened to me. What I was doing like a year ago, I was still in a curriculum meant for a STEM student of going into medical laboratory sciences, and I was starting to feel burnout. And then I switched it around because I got into a political science class, and I know grades aren't everything, but they reflect on how well you're understanding something. And I was getting A's and high B's, and that was kind of like, and I was enjoying it. I was writing papers again and enjoying the subject that I was taking, and that's when I decided that it was time for me to change my major, which was very scary. And I'll probably make a whole video about that because it's a very scary thing, and it's okay to be scared, but you need to do what's best for you. I think the setup is honestly going to be like this. I'm gonna have little coffee talks with you in the morning right when I wake up. That's why I look so beautiful at the moment. Literally wake up and just make my coffee and just come have a conversation with you guys about specific subjects. So yeah, I guess that's my update video for today. I'm really happy that I was able to do it. It's just a quick little one, as a hey, I'm still alive, I'm doing relatively well. This is what I want to do for my channel. I hope that you decide to come back and maybe look at this journey that I'm going on within my academics and I'm wanting to share with you guys. So remember, life is good. It may not feel like it, but it's going to be okay. You're worthy and you're valid, and it's okay to feel things, and you are also loved and cared about. Anyways, I hope you have a wonderful day and you have a productive day and you are feeling okay. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.